Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Trends Girl. Karibu sana and please consider subscribing. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Well, it's drama after drama from the Bahati's family, and it is clear that all is not well in paradise. Well, today, new details have emerged that Bahati is suicidal and depressed, and he also tried to commit suicide by taking poison. This was revealed by musician Ringtone who claimed that Bahati was depressed after losing the Mother MP seat and became depressed. He said that Diana called him and told him that Bahati wants to take poison and that he should rush and help her convince him.
Bahati anapitia depression. Bahati akona problem ya kuweza kuaccept kwamba alipoteza kiti. Bahati mara kama 2-3 nimepigiwa simu na bibi yake Diana akiniambia Bahati anataka kunywa sumu. Nimeenda nimemsaidia. So nataka tu kuambia Wakenya waombe Bahati accept alipoteza.
Well, this has left Diana and Bahati's fans more worried since Bahati and Diana have been missing from social media for a while now. Bahati has not posted anything on his social media account since he lost the Mother MP seat. And a few days ago, he also went ahead and cleared his Instagram account by deleting all the photos and videos from it. Diana Marua also left a post of a white dove flying on a dark background, captioning it, "Only in the darkness can you see the stars," and also blocked the comment section such that no one could comment on the post. Well, fans are now sure that all is not well and that something is really wrong with the Bahatis. Well, it is not clear yet whether what Ringtone Apoko said was true, since Ringtone is known for being so playful. Well, guys, what do you think about this? Do you think Ringtone is saying the truth? Share what you think in the comment section down below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Trends Girl. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hot trending topics. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.